The door's frozen. Really quite frozen. Right, okay, we'll have to go out the front. Good morning guys, my name's Alex, and this is my winter van life daily vlog. Oh, to making...
we make us that.
Ah, as well, cool. The place we're parked today will get some sunlight on the solar panels, so I'm just going to get up there now and clean them off because they're covered in snow. Hopefully there's not too much ice on them because that's the hard bit. Can't even get this door open. So we can't get the back doors open, which not only does it mean I can't get the brush to clean the solar panels off, it means I can't get my snowboard out, which screws up my plans of getting up on the mountain nice and early. Finally got the door open, it took ages. Look at this roof. So that's as good as I can get it with the brush. I'm gonna need to get the ice scraper on it. The thing is, the sun's pretty much gone in now. All done. Hopefully the sun comes back out again. So that's quite a bit of effort, to be honest. When I'm already late for getting up the mountain, well, I didn't even think I was going to get up there at all. I thought that door was going to be frozen for the day. Right, so let's go up there. Bye home. Today I'm gonna spend some time on my own anyway, because I want to play with some cameras really and see like what's the best. I've been struggling to get good shots, so I'm going to play with some cameras just like the iPhone and my GoPro. GoPro like on my helmet, GoPro on this thing. This, you've probably seen one of these before, but I'm not sure if it's long enough to get away with just using wide on the GoPro. And I don't really want to be using super view or anything. So I might need to get a longer pole. And then I'm also going to play with frame rates and stabilisation on and off. And there's always a compromise, you see. Looking good up here though, eh? Okay, good day on the mountain. I'm got to play a bit with like the GoPro different settings. It was so cold though, like that's the coldest it's been up there since I can remember. So for the rest of today, I think, to be honest, I'm going to do some editing of yesterday's vlog, and then we're having a chilled one, right? Are we just, is it a movie night, is it?
Yeah. I think Josh is coming over for Bad Boys 2.
Bad Boys 2. Woo! That's cool. I want to see inside that.